Hi everyone, this is Joe.
Hi.
We were in Mexico recently and picked up a bunch of different snacks and candies, so we're going to try some of them for the very first time on camera for you today. So the first one we've already actually opened because we ate some of these on the plane, but this is the Doritos Pizzarolas. Dorito Pizzarolas, and they look like that. I don't actually remember what these taste like.
Ooh, they really do taste like pizza.
You know, like you're on a commercial. Ooh, they're tasty too. They taste like those the Lunchables, the pizza Lunchables.
Yeah, a little bit, eh?
With that sauce. Exceso calorías. Calorías. Exceso calorías.
Very good.
Exceso sodium. Exceso grasas. Saturdasas. Probably use that. Okay. Do you want water?
No.
Okay. Next up, we have the Mayfair Salt Peanuts. They had a lot of different flavors, but I chose the most neutral one because I knew we would both like that. But they're really, really good. They look like this.
We did snack on them on the plane.
Yeah, we did. They're really good. And they were a lot cheaper to purchase in the convenience shop than they were on the plane. They just taste like peanuts.
Yeah.
But they're really good.
Fresh peanuts. Very fresh.
And very light.
Maybe blanched?
I don't know what it doesn't say. It says exceso sodium on these two. It's all in Spanish. But yeah, they're good.
Next, we're going to try the Crujitos.
These have been opened before too. None of these are our first impressions. These are the ones I really like. They're like spirally. Queso chili.
They're okay. I'm not really into Cheetos, so they're okay.
I really like them. It tastes like
They're very light.
It tastes like corn.
Mm-hmm. They're very, yeah, they do really taste like corn.
I can't compare them to anything that we have in Canada or the States. Can you?
No.
They're good. These are my favorites so far. The peanuts were a close second.
Flamin' Hot Sabritas? They basically look like Lay's.
Could you say that one more time?
Sabritas? Flamin' Hot?
Extra flamin' hot.
Lots of flavoring on them. Woo!
They're hot? Are they hot as the Canadian chips that we get?
Hotter, but they're like, they got like a lime flavor as well.
Yeah, they do.
Woo! Those are spicy.
They're really spicy and really limey.
I like those though.
They
I like
remind me-
spice, so.
Can you open it up on camera?
Hmm?
Well, I don't think I'll like these. They're too limey. It tastes like pure lime to me.
I don't think you'd want to eat a whole big bag of these, that's for sure. Aside from your mouth being on fire, they are really limey.
Maybe it's really good with beer.
Next, we're going to try Cheetos Torqueditos. I hope I said that right. They look like Flamin' Hot Cheetos to me, but
Did we get a prize?
something like that.
We
I don't want
haven't
to take that out of there yet, so.
we haven't opened these before, so Joe just found like a little something extra.
You see there's lots of, it looks like pepper.
They're weird. They taste like a crayon.
Oh, they do taste weird.
Maybe that's because of whatever this thing is. What is this? Why is this in our chip bag but it won't come out? Did we win something? Oh, it's a contest! For the Super Bowl. Oh, we're a little late.
Yeah, they're weird. They
Cheetos.
taste like your average Cheetos, but I can't really tell what the flavor is.
Cheetos Torqueditos. Corn and queso. I don't like them.
Next, we'll try jalapeno crunchits, like puffy Cheerios.
Are they like your?
Very crunchy.
Are they like those sour cream and onion?
No, harder. They're very good. Supposed to be a spicy queso.
It says Cheez-It on it. I find they taste fishy.
Really?
I don't like those either. Maybe it's just too many flavors altogether. Cheeto Poofs. With another contest. I've never seen anything like this before. It's like attached to the side of the bag, and you actually can't get to the, well, you can kind of get to, they're like a larger, what are these called?
Cheesies.
Yeah, with a lot of seasoning.
Same texture as a cheesy.
I like those.
Oh, they're good. They're just your standard cheesies.
They're extra cheesy though, I find.
Those are good. You can eat a bag of those.
Yeah, I like these. Cheeto Poof.
Next, we're going to try Ruffles Queso. They're very cheesy. But they're good.
They kind of have like a ranch vibe to them.
Adobadas? I hope I said that right.
They had these on the resort and Joe loved them.
Oh yeah, these are the same ones on the resort. Very tomatoey. They're very good. I want to say they're like a spicy ketchup almost. I was most excited for these ones. That's it for chips. So now we're going to try the E-Fruity Sour Glowworms, seeing as I've already got into these. Very chewy. Not too sour, but they're good.
I like those. They're not like typical sour either. They're like fruit punch sour.
Next, we're going to try the E-Fruity Neon Worms. These are not sour that we know of.
Do you think they glow in the dark?
That'd be fun.
You put them in a drink and they glowed? Glowed? Glued?
Glowed? I would have said glowed too, so I don't know.
I think it's glowed. They are very neon-y. They're chewy.
Very chewy. If you really like Jube Jubes, you'd like these.
My mom would like these. They're good. I find they have like a lot more.
They are really neon. I don't know if you can see that color, but
These have a lot of taste.
I agree. These are really flavorful. Really fruity, actually. Mamba Sour?
These are my favorite.
I want to say individually wrapped, but they're wrapped in like 5 or 6 at a time. Try the raspberry one.
The one we had before was like mango or pineapple, and I really liked it.
So as you can see, when you open the wrapper, there's 6 individual pieces of candy.
And the wrapping is pretty.
Almost like a toffee.
Mamba. Wow, those are good. They're sweet, but they're still like a little bit sour.
Those are sour.
These are my fave, by far.
It's hard to tell what they're like. It's pretty sour. Ooh.
They're really sour.
I like those. Those are good.
Yeah, they're my favorite.
There's a Cadbury Wispa. I've never seen this in Canada.
I'm excited for this because apparently Cadbury tastes different in every single country. Like our Cadbury doesn't taste like what the States has, and the States doesn't taste what the UK doesn't taste like what the UK has. And this was bought in Mexico, so maybe it'll be different too.
You get the first bite.
Oh, a very like,
It's almost like an arrow. On the inside, you can see all the
But-
bubbles.
it's way softer. It's good though. That's really good.
Ooh, that is really good. Really nice chocolate flavor.
That doesn't taste like the Cadbury we have here at all.
No, less sweet, I find.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
It would be a really nice treat with a latte.
Whisper. Or Cadbury. Okay, guys. So that's it for our first.
Sorry.
Just hold it and continue to chew. Okay, guys. So that's it for our first snack and candy
Video.
Yeah, I hope you liked it. Let us know if Joe, I'm gonna just
Sorry.
smack
I can't hold anything.
ya.
Whisper.
So that's it, guys. That's our first snack and candy tryout
Tryout. Video.
video. This is Joe. I'm Kim. Let us know if you've tried any of these candies before and which ones you liked or which ones we should try next. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.